Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ORICO USB 3.0 hub. It is a 4-port USB 3.0 clip-type aluminum alloy portable size travel super speed hub station for iMac, MacBook, PC and laptop. That was only for example. You can dock there all kinds of devices with USB interface. The clip type USB will buckle, expand laptops interfaces and fix it at the desk side or screen. The USB 3.0 4 ports hub transform one of your computer's USB ports into 4. 4 USB ports offers high-speed data transfer speed up to 5 gigabit per second to meet your device's demands of transmission expansion. Windows 8, 7 with the Mac OS Linux system supported. All is on board. Emergency power supply and drive-free design. That hub can charge device while transferring nearly same as original PC interfaces, which be able to emergency charging for general digital products while ensuring data interaction. It supports fast recognition, plug and play. And on top, the aluminum alloy chassis, godlike, and able to dissipate heat rapidly. Delicate and exquisite. Here you can see the device, the ORICO monitor edge and desk edge USB 3.0 4-port clamp, hub, a data cable, 1 meter is in the box, a user manual, and that's enough because you do not need more if you want a USB hub. It is for the computer interface easy, live-available. It is a clip-type hub with buckle, 5 gigabit per second, fast. 4 USB, silicone spiral back clip, and aluminum alloy chassis. For example, for your laptop, combination of desktop and mechanically technology, expand laptop's interfaces and fix it at the desk side. Save more space, elegant and tidy. USB 3.0 4-port hub. You can gain 1 USB connecting up to 4, and 4 time USB 3.0 high-speed interface. To meet your diverse demands of transmission expansion. U-disk, external HDD, mouse, keyboard, digital products, heat dissipation devices, smartphones, etc. All you can charge and connect to this hub. On a desktop, interaction between screen and interface. New buckle design, fix up around the screen, more convenient. This is nice, but take care, curved or irregular shape of displays, this is tricky. But you have a standard screen, you can dock it there immediately. The color is silver. The package dimension are 5 to 4 to 1.6 inches. The item weight is about 10 ounces, and it is easy to use, easy to handle, and it will get you more USB plug stations in one device, and the silicone pad will make it more stable. The LED blue light will get your information on the top side of the device, and you can dock phone, tablets, mobile HDDs, USB cameras, USB discs, mouse, keyboard, USB van, card reader, etc. It is a powerful compatibility. They adapt to a variety of different devices in one thing. Turn one USB port into 5 gigabit per second data transmission speed. Awesome, isn't it? Step number 1, find a suitable location. Step number 2, loosen the screw and place the hub into the computer's bottom. Number 3 is tighten the screw to fix the hub. Number 4 is connect the hub to the computer USB port. And after this, you can have some fun with this device. The space is from 10 to 32 millimeter range. This is a clamp measuring. Easy to connect, easy to use. I like it and I will use it every day. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.